Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Are you still doing the business? So you are planning to launch a new business. Those people very helpful for this video. So how to promote your business online? So there is a tool. Okay, that AI tool which will be creating the AI videos using animation format, which will be very helpful you to promote your products along with the animations that will be attract to the people and get more sales. So that is the AI tool here. That's the AI tool. This AI tool here video. You can type this one. You can get this one. This is AI motion designer. Okay, this is motion designer which nothing but the graphic designing with along with AI animations. That's the graphics with animation which is a motion designer. That's the meaning of motion design. That is nothing but a motion designer. Okay, so that's the thing you have to do it. So first you have click on it, this link. If you have click on it, it asks to log in via your Gmail account. You click on that Gmail account button. After that, it is successfully logged into this screen like this. After that, they provide us a free plan as well. If you want to go along with the paid plan, you click on it, the upgrade button. You go along with the paid plan and you can pay it and back to the screen. Okay, that is your wish. After I recommend is first time you have to go along with the free plan. Once you satisfy, you go and upgrade the plan. Okay, so this I am very satisfied of this video. Here you will be able to import any images you need of the products, and video you have any products, you have a audio of that products, 11 products and custom font, everything you will be able to import it. So this CV date or everything you have to import it. Okay, so the brand, no brand style, so everything. Okay, that is the things of the text animations. Okay, the text animation, I'm going to select the social media text animation. So I'm going to articles animation, I'm going to select as this one is article animations. Or banner text animation. So you have a various animation type text are there. You select on it. So I'm going to click at this social media one. The social media and I click on it. The social media one. Social media one. I'm going to select here. Tell them here. I first before that I'm going to go to the ChatGPT. Okay. So ChatGPT. You have to open up the ChatGPT. First you have to tell them the ChatGPT. Okay, don't type here. Okay, first you have to get the prompt from the ChatGPT. What you are given in English, according to your uh, text, it will be converted as a prompt. Okay, so act as a video prompt. So act as a video prompt. Prompt generate. Generate. You can click on it. Here's the text. Act as a world world best video prompt generator. Here's the text. I am launching a new new cool drinks business. I'm launching new cool drink business. I name it as Jig 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 drink Jig cool Jig cool Jig cool Jig cool. Okay, Jig cool. I want to promote. I need a. Okay, I launching a new cool drink. I name it as it has various favors like like mango, banana, apple, etc. Today it consists of it is from it is from to 250 milligram to 1 liter available. Don't consider about the spelling mistake. It automatically take care of it. The ChatGPT. If you click on it, it generates the AF. Okay, here create I energy is commercial video, synaptic commercial video, the cold drink brand, G code, show the referring the bottles, the various here. It will be here. It's different sizes here. Everything it will be mentioned. Okay, don't try it yourself. Okay, so that if you want to make the various from this gold social media real research that gold case, okay, just copy it and paste on it and click on it. That you can see what is the output will be. It's very cool. Okay, so this is how we have first don't put the text on the people are doing what the things are doing is they are typing the prompt on that AI tool and generate it. That is not a good efficient way to do the things. Okay, first you have to tell them the AI tool to do it. That's a good. Okay, so that's the thing you have to do. What you are going to do, what are the things you are going to do? You have to tell them the AI tool to do it. Okay, that then only you can get the good output. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait until the video gets finished. Now your animation is ready. Now you can go here. Here, this is your animation. It's a cool animation. If you are given the images of that brand, here you have to attach the images and all. You have to mention these are the images come to the mango flavor. This is the bottle image. Banana, this is the bottle image. The apple flavor, this is the bottle image. All the image should be displayed. Okay, along with this milliliter also images also you have attached. Everything is will be displayed. Okay, so I have this is a very cool animation. So if you want to change this logo and all, you will be able to change the GAK. This default will be displayed out here. Here you will, if you want, you can edit it. This all things here. What are the things you are coming here? This all the images you will be able to edit. That's the things. Everything is not. You can edit everything here. Okay, you can the animation you will be able to edit this. Right, that's the purpose of this. Okay, this is a very cool one. Okay, you just try on it and you can get the good experience. Thank you for watching. Okay, so after done the times, there is export button. You click on it and export. Okay, thank you for watching.